Hello and welcome to the Jonathan Acuna Show. Today we're going to be talking about 3 simple but effective techniques to help you increase your sales. Now, if you're a business owner and you're looking to build a sales machine that will help you generate repeatable, predictable, scalable, sustainable revenue and growth, well, you first need to systematize your sales. And in this video, I'm going to share one story that's going to share 3 tips on how you can help automate and systematize your sales process. I figured the story would be the best way to tell it. So I had a business owner come to me and he was losing sales and he's like, help me increase my conversions on his website. His website was getting leads, but it just wasn't getting enough sales. And so we took a look at his tech stack. We took a look at his sales process and we came up with a plan. And the first thing that we did, which is the first pro tip, and that is to use one CRM. So all your leads from all your different websites, from your website, from the phone, from your different landing pages, they all go into one CRM. And that one app is going to help him manage what's called, pro tip number 2, is manage his deal pipeline. And a deal pipeline are the stages that your lead goes through from when they first reach out to you as a business to the steps you go through until you either win the opportunity or close the deal, or you lose the deal because of either not enough budget. It was either the budget, they weren't the decision maker, or it wasn't the time. The time it wasn't a priority in their life. So it's usually one of those 3 things when it comes down to objections. And so what we did was we first implemented ClickUp, because ClickUp it's affordable for a small business owner. He was a solopreneur, so it was a one-man shop, and also gave him the power to automate, which was the next pro tip, which is leverage automation. That's going to give you a competitive advantage. It was taking him about 4 to 8 hours to respond back to a lead. If you don't respond within the couple minutes, like, they're gone. It's unfortunate, like, you're so competitive because you're playing in a global land space right now, that speed to follow up or reply back when they first reach out is king and can lead either to the sale winning or losing within the first half hour sometimes. And so I wanted to give him a competitive advantage so he could compete with his competitors and be the first to respond once they fill out that form. And so the cool thing about using ClickUp is that you can leverage automation. And so first thing that we did was once a lead comes in and fills out a nice form on ClickUp, they immediately go into a CRM. Instantly, once they are in his CRM, they automatically get a hi, welcome email instantly. And then on his phone, he also gets a notification on his phone. He could be outside, he could be in bed, he could be anywhere in the world. And he could look at his phone and boop, a little notification comes up. And he goes, oh, I got a new lead. And now he doesn't have to log into the computer or wait till he gets back home to respond, or look through the hundreds of emails to find that one email lead to be like, is it this one that responded this morning? Or is it the next one? No, instantly he knows it comes in. He has to track all his new leads, and his job is just to clean his new leads and move them along in his pipeline. I'm so happy to report that after a few days of using the new system, he was able to close 2 new deals. He was able to talk and see and describe every lead and where they are in the different stages of his funnel. He was able to describe all the different activity that he's been using to work each lead to a close one. How many phone calls did he reach out? How many emails? How many back and forth discussions? What were the objections? What were the answers until that deal was closed? And now he has a wealth of knowledge, whether it's him doing sales or when he grows and hires a sales rep. He has a wealth of knowledge in that CRM, because all those deals are coming in. He now can he can forecast his sales. He knows how many sales he needs now to close for the end of the month to meet his quota. He also knows where he is to meet all the sales. I mean, it gives you so much clarity and stress-free as a business owner. And so those are the 3 tips that you can use to help increase your sales. They're so simple, but you'll be surprised how just not having a simple CRM and having a simple sales process that leverages automation to really give you more productive time, or it's really increases your productivity. It scales out you and your time, really. And so let's just summarize those three tips. One, we want to use one app of CRM so that all our leads come in and we don't lose any deals. They don't get disappeared or tracked in someone's head. Be like, oh, did I respond back? Or, oh, I forgot. No more. We don't lose deals. Number two, we use automation. Automation so that we could respond and stay competitive, and use automation to respond back, to move things along in the pipeline, to automatically notify people that, hey, it's your step in the process to either work or close the deal. All happen automatically, truly systematizing your business. And then finally, he gets to manage his pipeline and seeing all his deals in one little window. It looks like Trello, like the Kanban board. So it's exactly like Trello. And so he's just moving his stages, or moving his leads across the stages from new lead all the way to close one. At the very end of the week, he gets this nice list of all the new deals that he's won. It's amazing. And even the deals that he lost are just as valuable, because you can add a description in there of why did you lose that deal. And then at the end of the month or end of the week, you can look back at all the deals won. Great. And then all the deals lost. And you'd be like, why did we lose so many deals this week? Turns out it could be budgeting, schedule, inventory, not enough, didn't have it on supply. They weren't a decision maker. It could be a wealth of, or it could be any different thing, but having that database is going to help you review and then make changes. So next week, you're smarter, faster, better, and you're going to close way more deals. So the lesson is systematizing your business will lead to more successful sales. If you need help systematizing your business to help you grow sales, there's a link below to help get you started. I'm Jonathan Acuna. I love talking about business and productivity. It's great to see you. I hope you have a great day. Stay blessed.